I just want to start this video out to say how angry I am right now and frustrated for walking across miles of woods. And then we were on our way to give up and because we couldn't find it. And then we find this just as we were getting ready to turn around and head the other way to a trail back.
The Columbus kid.
So
that's what it takes.
we're gonna get in it. What do you think, Hannah?
Let's go.
Where? Oh yeah.
And then this whole wall. Try not to knock it down for you.
There is a lot of ice in here.
If that falls,
It's gonna poke your eyeball out.
it's gonna hurt.
Cool.
Yeah.
You are not gonna like this.
Hannah.
Hand line, drop. Hand line.
Hand line.
I was trying to go through it, and I had to go through on my back.
Yeah, that was pretty
It
tricky.
wasn't very fun.
Yeah, it sucked.
But here, Josh, I'm sunk down.
Oh yeah. Hannah, where you at? What? Caving, huh? You're caving, huh? You what? Is it deep? It's a lot. Oh, hold on a second. Hey, wait for them. What do you think, Cole?
I like it.
It's pretty wild, ain't it?
I like it.
Good?
I'm gonna water my way away.
All right, go ahead.
What are you?
Be careful.
Who?
God damn, dude.
What?
Jacob.
Does it get wild?
Yes. Give me the heebie-jeebies.
That's it worse than this.
Oh, wow, dude.
Yeah, this is.
Try coming through Dog Hill again.
This is sick.
And that's what scares me.
Look how deep
Take a
that
breath,
is.
man.
I know.
Take a deep
This
breath.
is awesome. Wow.
This is so cool.
I wish I brought my colored flashlights.
It's not down again.
Oh, look how clear that water is.
Drinkable. Look at these, dude.
Oh, look how clear those soda straws are.
Wow.
Those would glow on UV.
Oh, we don't have a UV?
No.
I have one in my car.
I know, so do I.
What? Are you gonna try to free climb that?
I might be able to. I just saw a route I didn't notice last time.
Dude, be careful.
Yeah, careful I will be.
Hey, do any of us have any phone numbers for anyone for you?
911. Oh, it's a pit for sure.
I'm gonna try to block some of this water from falling directly on you. Coming this way right here. See ya, Hannah.
See ya.
Yes! All right, get out of that water. Hannah, did you get wet? Yeah, Willis. What? Where is it? It got washed. Oh, where'd you want?
That's the bottom. I went to the bottom. I thought you were doing that,
Whoa, dude. Whoa. If I wasn't so steamy, this would be a lot cooler. Wild. Oh, this gets wild.
well, alright, not doing that.
No?
Looks fun.
Oh, no.
So where's this elbow?
Oh, I don't know.
How deep is the next one?
I don't know.
Has nobody started it?
I don't know, but things are getting muddy up in here.
Oh, it'll get clean. Oh, it will get clean.
We're gonna be muddy, Cole.
Looks like it. I got my stuff flipped on my hip, man. I might have to unflip it if it's gonna be real muddy.
Oh, here we are. Okay.
I don't think so.
I'm guessing that way, huh? Maybe?
This way? You see marks?
Cole, how bad was that?
How bad is what?
Is that super slick?
Yeah. Be careful.
You got it, Hannah? Want me to hold you?
No.
You got it?
No. I take myself straight to the wall. Think we're getting money, guys.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Hey, that's a little slicker than it looks.
Oh, look at that.
Who fell?
You guys good? You're not gonna like this, Mike. I don't know how I feel about this mud. What? Whoa! Is this the boardroom?
That's one of them, I think. Whoa, dude!
Think about repelling this now.
Woo! Yeah!
Whoa, that would be so fun to rappel down. How tall do you think that is?
I don't know.
This is really go, huh?
I don't know.
I'm guessing.
We're sending.
Where's that way go?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah,
What?
to the right.
Your left. You meant your left.
I meant that way. I meant right.
Lower.
Right there.
Oh. Lower yourself down pretty easily. Want me to help you?
Yeah.
You almost had your foot on something there. Yeah.
That
Yeah. Well, time to go back up. See if we can get up there. You have that rope? Woohoo! I'm getting wet now. Oh, I'm cool now. Motherfucker. Holy shit. Ooh. Oh my god, dude. You coming, Hannah? Are you coming up? You what? You good, Hannah? Why? Cold? Breathing? Because it was so cold?
I don't use it in the cold.
It's just the shock of it, yeah. I'm gonna come up a little more. Can you reach this? Got it? Physical. Takes your breath away. Alright, you're getting to where you need to watch your head. You didn't wear one? No. I'm trying to block the water, like from your face. You don't have a chest ascender on? Dude, I would have threw mine down.
Dave, you're gonna have to help me with the lift.
I know this. You're not even tethered to it? Dude, what is wrong with you? Here, reach up here and grab this knot. Right here, Cole. If you can get up
Grab
there.
my hand. No, my wrist. Hold it. Sorry that I fucked that up, dude.
Here.
I didn't mean to make
Up here. Got
I
it?
can't feel my hand. No, I don't got it.
Yeah, the rope's on your foot, so hold on, you're caught. Go ahead. Get away from the edge.
Woo! Fucking way out.
What did you rig him up on? Jesus. I had it all roped the right way. Huh? Pull the rope down, Mike. All right, now go up, Jake. Keep quite a bit of tension on that rope, Mike. Cool. Come here. I don't know why you changed the length of that, man. You could have. It would have been a lot easier. I had to pull Cole up too. We'll help you up.
What happened?
You wearing Hannah's sweatshirt?
She fucking gave it to me. I was like, absolutely, give me it.
Now what do you got? Let me see what you got going. Lift your foot up a little bit. Your foot loop. Foot.
You can't get left it?
We can. That's up to him.
So much you can't get it.
your feet up and then just walk up this fucker. We got you. We got you. I got your rope here. Right? There you go, sir. Oh, thanks. Alright, let me get this out of your way. My reflex is thing kicked in. I couldn't catch my breath.
That's what everyone said so far. They're like, I couldn't breathe. All right, kick off the wall. Let me move. Hey, don't run this over. All right, ready?
Hold on.
There you go. Yeah, you got it cleared. You need to reach up here, grab that knot. Yep. Hey, you made it over the edge better than anyone else. Let's get out of here. You cold? Mm-hmm. Yeah, me too. I'm like freezing.
Alright, I'm out.
So do you subscribe?
Well, we officially made it out of the cave. Subscribe over to this guy's channel. What is it?
Dangerous Nature.
I knew that. And then this guy's channel.
Webkin M.
And then this girl's channel.
Fun finding for two.
We're out of here.